Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can add hyperlink in Overleaf resume. Basically, it doesn't matter in which project you put in this, so it can be an article, a CV, presentation, doesn't matter. The most important thing is that you need to know basically just this one right over here. So /href, and then you put here in these closures and paste in the link, and right here next to it just name this link, and I can show you here. So if we go to the right side, you will see introduction. Under the introduction, you will see at the end help library, choose your plan. And right here in the code on the left side, you can see where these hyperlinks are added. So when you want to add these hyperlinks, use href function, href, and you will basically just like that put in the hyperlink. So this is basically it, how you can add the hyperlink. I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next.